everyone! Today we are going to be focusing on oceans again, but this time we're doing an experiment about the density of salt water, and then we're going to do an art activity where we make our very own salt dough starfish. Let's head on over to Adriana to have her talk us through the science experiment. But wait, before we jump into this video, make sure to give it a like if you enjoy it, and subscribe to our channel for more content. Now on to Adriana.
This experiment looks at how salt affects ocean waters. Take 2 glasses and fill them both with water. Add salt to one of the glasses until the water is cloudy. Stir in the salt. Next, we're going to add a small item to test the density of the different waters. I'm using almonds, but you can use whatever you have at home, like fruit or even an egg if you have a big enough glass. Notice how the almonds in the regular water sink while the almonds in the salt water float. This is similar to what happens with ocean water. The added salt in the water makes the water denser, and therefore it's easier for things to float in the ocean.
Wasn't that such a cool science experiment? Now we're going to do an art project of our own. For this activity, we're going to make our very own salt dough starfish. All you need is flour, salt, a bowl, something to stir with, water, a pencil to use for decorating the starfish. You're welcome to let these air dry, however, you could also choose to bake them, in which case you would need a baking sheet in addition to the other materials. First off, mix together 2 cups of flour, 2 cups of salt, and 1 cup of water in a bowl. Knead the dough together until it is soft. Then, grab a ball of dough and slowly mold it into a starfish by creating a middle section and then 5 little legs. Next, you can use a pencil to decorate the starfish to make them look more realistic. Finally, once you're happy with them, you can either let them dry out over the next few days, or you can pop them in the oven at 325 degrees for up to 3 hours depending on how big you made your starfish. Once they are dry, you could even go ahead and paint them. Thanks so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel for new content every week. And don't forget, you are brilliant. Bye everyone!